Namaste, good afternoon. Today we are going to discuss about the latte art. It is the most presentable coffee art in the world. We will see latte art, how we are doing latte art in the hospitality industry. So latte art is nothing, it's actually how we are pouring the steam milk into the espresso to make a design on the surface of the drinks. Let's do the practice. So here you can see we are blending the coffee beans. So basically 100 grams coffee beans I have to brew. After brewing 30 ml espresso will come. 30 ml espresso will come. So here you will see how the espresso is brewing. So the cappuccino or cafe latte cups. So now 30 ml of espresso will come here. Now see how the espresso is brewing here on the cups. So here you can see the espresso has came out. It's total. So here we have taken the cold milk and then we're steaming. The milk has to be steamed and the froth has to come here. The froth will help you to make the design of the surface on the drinks. So now the milk is steaming. So now you can see how the art has to happen. So this is how you can make the latte art on 30 ml of espresso. Here it goes. The hot, the nice, excellent. See how there he goes. The latte is ready for serving to the guest. See the nice art has came here. So this is called latte art. Thank you so much for watching this video. Kindly subscribe my channel and don't forget to press the bell icon to get more notification about this kind of more arts or about the hospitality industries, more the question answers and everything. So just let me know for the next video what can I bring to your notice. So I'll be very helpful and glad to know from you all guys about what you want to know in my upcoming video. Thank you.